Namaskar friends, I Poonam Dogra welcome you all and hope you and your family are safe and doing very well. Now friends,
Have faced a situation or might have heard about this that your electronic devices like TV get damaged due to heavy lightning and due to sudden power cuts from the utility. So here a question comes that what is the cause behind this damage of electronic devices and how we can protect our sensitive electronic devices from this transients. So answer of this question is covered in today's video. Friends, these devices are also used in every solar power plant installation in its ACDB and DCDB. So friends,
today's topic is surge protection devices. I got many comments like where we use them and how we use them and how we connect them. So in today's topic we will cover surge protection devices, its applications and its type.
so
Stay connected and let's see.
friends, coming to our first question, that what is the cause behind this damage of electronic devices? So friends, this is because of surge. Surge is a brief overvoltage spike or disturbance on a power waveform. Means it is a high voltage of 100 to thousands of volt which comes in a power waveform for a microsecond. Now friends, this is our AC voltage waveform, which is a sinusoidal waveform, which in normal operation will go like this. And when lightning happens or a sudden power cut happens, a sudden high voltage, here you can see, comes in your waveform, which is surge. And friends, note that this surge comes for a microsecond, 1 by 10 raised to power 6 part of a second, which is very small, and this high surge or high voltage can cause damage to your electronic devices. So the requirement of SPD, surge protection devices, comes into action. And friends, if you talk about the causes of these surges, it can be internal or external, both. As the name suggests, internal means it can be inside your premises, inside your home or inside your commercial properties industry. In internal, it can be due to refrigerators, air conditioners, and on and off of motors, etc. And friends, in external cause, it is outside of your home. It can be due to lightning, it can be due to switching of power from the utility side, etc. Now coming to the second question, that how we can protect our electronic devices or sensitive electronic devices from these surges, these transients. So the answer is with the help of surge protection devices. These are SPDs, and these are also known as TVSS, which is transient volt surge suppressors. This is an old name for SPDs. Now friends, what these SPDs are doing, these SPDs will limit the transient over voltage and will divert the current to the ground. And friends, SPDs are always connected in parallel with your circuit. And connection of SPDs and its working principle we will discuss in our next video, as today's video is just an introduction video of SPDs. Friends, SPD can be of both type, AC SPD and DC SPD. These both type of SPD you can see in solar power plant installation. In ACDB you use AC SPD, and in DCDB or array junction box you use DC SPD. But the purpose and working of both the SPDs is same, is to limit the over voltage transient surge. Now there are different types of SPDs. Type 1 SPD, Type 2 SPD and Type 3 SPD. Now what is the difference between these types of SPDs? We'll see this here. Now Type 1 SPDs are designed for high risk zone and are characterized by 10 by 350 microsecond waveforms. Like if your industrial building is to be protected from direct lightning, then you will use Type 1 type of SPDs. 2 SPD. Type 2 SPD is the main protection system for all low voltage electrical installations. Mainly all these switchboards, these sub distribution boxes, ACDB, DCDB, all these contains type 2 SPD. type 2 SPD is characterized by an 8 by 20 microsecond current wave. Type 3 SPDs. Type 3 SPDs have low discharge capacity, and these are used where your equipment is very sensitive, and these are used with your sensitive or remote equipments. And friends, to make it more easy, let's say if we will walk from your energy meter towards your electronic devices. First we will meet type 1 SPD at the entrance, or we can say at the point of electrical installations where main distribution box is situated. And the second one we will meet is type 2 SPD, sub distribution boxes or distribution circuits. And third we will meet type 3 SPD near to your sensitive electrical equipments. And now I hope you learned something about SPDs, that what are surges, what are SPDs, and what are different types of electrical SPDs. So friends, how you find this video, please do comment below, and if you have any suggestions, any queries, do comment below. And finally friends, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.